Hi there, I'm Nikki from Chrysalis by Nikki Butler. So I just wanted in this video to answer a question that I get asked a lot, which is there anything I can do about scarring? And the answer is that yes, there is. So there isn't a complete scar removal treatment or procedure because it's just not possible to get rid of scarring completely, but you can improve the look and the feel of scarring. So there's two different treatments that are suitable. So firstly, if I cover acne scarring, for example, so if you have acne scarring or pitting on your face or potentially on your back, lots of people suffer with acne on their back, then the first treatment I would really recommend is it's an advanced skin needling technique, which is it's not quite as invasive as medical skin needling, which I'll come on to, but what it does is it works into the surface layers of the skin and it breaks down the scar tissue and it kickstarts your skin's natural collagen production. So you can have a course of treatments which is typically 5 to 8 treatments that are spread around 3 weeks apart that really help to kickstart your skin's collagen production and to improve the texture of the skin and the look of the pitted skin in that area. The second treatment that's available, which is something I would typically use more for something like surgery scarring, self-harm scars or injury scars, is microneedling. And microneedling is one of my favourite treatments, and I think it's because it really reminds me of how incredible the body is at re-healing itself. So microneedling is carried out with essentially the same needle that I would use to tattoo a procedure. So, but what it's doing is it's going into the skin and it's breaking down in a very minor, controlled way, breaking down old scar tissue, that old thick collagen that is often the white scarring that you see. And it doesn't matter whether your scars are sunken and flat or whether they're raised. What it does is it's breaking down the old scar tissue, and that minor controlled trauma is kickstarting your body's natural healing process. So when your body's recovering from the treatment, what it's doing is it's producing fresh collagen, fresh elastin, and also melanin, which is responsible for your skin's natural skin tone. So I always say to anybody with scarring, it's the golden ticket of treatments really, because if we can get your body to re-heal itself and regenerate, then that's going to be what's going to give you the best results in terms of seeing an improvement to the look and feel of your scars. So I'd always recommend coming in for consultation for scarring because it's good to be able to feel the skin, see the skin, talk to you more about the results that you would like to achieve, and actually about being realistic. So I would never say to you, yes, we can absolutely get rid of your scarring, because that would be factually incorrect, that wouldn't be true. I also treat burn scarring. Burn scarring is quite unique because often what you see on the surface layer of the skin isn't what's going on underneath the skin. So any microneedling is very effective for burn scar tissue, but the treatment can often be longer, takes a little bit longer because the skin's very fragile. So if you have any questions about how to treat scarring, then please get in touch, please let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. The treatment, microneedling treatment, isn't particularly painful. I pre-numb before you come in for treatment. A typical course of treatment would be somewhere between 5 and 8 treatments, 5 to 6 weeks apart. That said, your skin may respond quicker, or you may find that you require additional treatments to that. So your skin's the largest organ in your body and it's completely unique to you. So whilst I can have an idea of how many treatments I might expect you to need, it really is going to depend on how your skin responds. So any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to hearing from you.